Welcome to Inert Chemistry. In today's video lecture, we are discussing about sodium. The sodium is one of the major element or chief electrolyte that is found in large concentration in extracellular fluid compartments. The total body content of sodium is 3700 millimole or 1.8 gram per kg, of which approximately 75% is exchangeable and 25% is non-exchangeable, which is incorporated into tissues like bones. The sodium is found in the body mainly associated with colloids like NaCl and sodium bicarbonate. If we talk about the sources, then table salt means NaCl. It is a major source of sodium. Salty foods, animal foods, milk, baking soda, eggs, cereals, carrot, tomato, and legumes. These are the sources of sodium. RDA, required daily allowance or daily requirement. It is 1 to 5 gram. It is 1 gram NaCl per day with history of hypertension. Means if you are having hypertension, then its RDA is decreased to 1 gram. Metabolic functions. The first important metabolic function is that it maintains the osmotic pressure and water balance in your body. Second, it is constituent of buffer and involved in the maintenance of acid-base balance. The third function, it maintains the muscle and nerve irritability at the proper level. The fourth important function is that it is involved in cell membrane permeability. If we talk about the normal serum sodium, then it is 135 to 145 milliequivalent per liter. The deficiency symptoms of sodium include fatigue, headache, nausea and vomiting, muscle cramps and spasms, confusion, seizures, and swelling, also called edema. Metabolism of sodium. Dietary intake. Sodium is primarily obtained from the diet, especially through the consumption of foods that contain sodium, like table salt. Digestion and absorption. After dietary sodium is consumed, it is digested and it is absorbed in small intestine. Once it is absorbed, sodium circulates in the bloodstream. The sodium concentration in the blood, it is tightly regulated to maintain the appropriate balance. Kidney functions. The kidney plays central role in sodium metabolism. It filters the blood and regulates the excretion of excess sodium in urine. The amount of sodium excreted in the urine is controlled by various hormones, including aldosterone, that promotes the sodium reabsorption. Sweat. Sodium is lost through sweat during physiological activities like exercise, particularly in hot conditions. Athletes and individuals engaged in strenuous activities means hard exercise. It can lose significant amount of sodium through sweating. Cellular processes. Sodium is present essential for various cellular processes, especially in nerve and muscle cells. It is involved in generation and propagation of nerve impulse and muscle contraction. Fluid balance. Sodium plays a key role in regulating the fluid balance in and around the cell. It helps in maintaining the proper concentration of fluids inside and outside the cells. Blood pressure regulation. Sodium is in conjugation with potassium and various other factors helps to regulate your blood pressure. Osmotic pressure. Sodium contributes to the osmotic pressure of body fluids. Osmotic pressure helps to regulate the movement of water and fluids in and out of the cells. That is critical for hydration and functions. The balance of sodium in the body is tightly regulated to ensure the proper physiological functions. This is all about the sodium metabolism. In the next video, we will see another topic.